Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you when your followers are mostly active on TikTok. Means when your followers are active and use TikTok so that you can upload your videos at that specific time and you get viral. So for that, you just open your TikTok account and go to your profile. When you go to your profile, at the top right side, you can see there are three horizontal lines. Just simply click on these three horizontal lines and click on TikTok Studio. Now, when you click on this, you can see there are click on simply view all. When you click on view all, now at the last you can see there option called followers. Just simply click on followers. Now scroll down at the bottom and here you can see most active times, as I have already only 3 videos and not much views on this account, so that's why it's not showing me the specific time, but you can see the heading most active time. So this is the time of your followers when your followers are mostly active on TikTok account. So you have to see this time and you have to upload your videos according to this time. It means if your followers are mostly active at 8 p.m., you must upload your videos 15 or 30 minutes before that time. That's why your video will be get viral. So this is the way you can check your followers most active time and upload videos according to that time.